Remove battery. Remove marked screws. Remove bottom door. Remove screws. Pull HDD caddy and remove it from laptop. Remove screws that secures HDD in caddy and remove it. Here can be installed any 2.5-inch SSD or any 2.5-inch HDD. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts. Place SSD to caddy and secure it. Install SSD to laptop's case and secure it. Install bottom door. Secure it. And install battery.